I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling, yeah. So keep dancing.
And of course, eto na! Kasama natin ngayong sasayaw, your best friend, my best friend, Jollibee! Let's go, Jollibee! Let's dance! Clap hands, everybody! Let's go, Jollibee! Let's go! Clap hands! Hi daw. Kaya sumasayaw kasi. Wait nga lang. Ako nataranta sa'yo. Let's go! Hi daw muna kay Joaquin. Go! Let's go! Go, Milka! Lakas na. Hey! Let's go, Jollibee! That's super kick! Ay! Super kick ha, Jollibee ha? Mga mapalakpakan for Jollibee! Happy birthday, Joaquin. My name is Kuya Rico and I will be your host for this evening celebration. Together with me, my party co-host, Kuya Ethan, of course, our party assistant, Ate Myra, Ate Shang, Ate Mappy, Ate Joyce, That's it. And Ate Panky, dahil kami po ang makakasama ninyo for this wonderful evening celebration. Alright, this moment, magkakaroon muna tayo ng short interview about kay Mami at kay Daddy. About kay Joaquin, Mami and Daddy. First, question po namin, like Kuya Ethan said, sa lahat ng guests, gusto nyo bang makitang sumayaw si Daddy? Yes or yeah! Habang kumakanta si Mami, yes or yes! Alright, Daddy, na-inform po ba upon booking, na-inform po ba sa inyo na pinasasayaw at pinakakanta namin ng mga parents? Hindi, dahil dyan, nagbibiro lang si Kuya Rico. Alright, so, syempre, short interview muna. Ayan, kay Daddy muna tayo. Daddy and Mami, meron pong dalawang katanungan si Kuya Rico. And dalawang category to about science and history. Yes. Patay tayo dyan, sabi ni Mami. Okay, sino po ang gustong sumagot ng science? Sino po ang gustong sumagot ng history? Sino po? Pili po tayo ang category. Daddy, ikaw, anong category ko? Sa science si Daddy. Si Mami ang history. Unahin natin si Mami. History question, Mami. Ano po yung insaktong oras o insaktong oras ng sabihin ni Douglas MacArthur ang I shall return? Joke lang po. Joke question lang yun. Aray ko naman, Jollibee. Ang tunay pong question about history, ayan, bukod po, ayan, ang gender nakuha, ang gender to sa science pala yan. History question, yung name po na Joaquin, saan po ba nakuha to? Or bakit po Joaquin ang pinangalan niya sa ating little boy ngayon?
Wala. Gusto ko lang ng Joaquin talaga. Kahit nung dati pa. Gusto ko lang Joaquin. Wala. Wala, di ba, Tay?
Actually, ang pogi kasi nung name nung Joaquin eh. kaya Andre Joaquin. Pero yung meaning ng Joaquin is established by God. Yan.
So may meaning, Andre Joaquin. So yung Joaquin may meaning. Gwapo ka ba, Jollibee? Ewan ko sa'yo, hindi ka gwapo. Cute ka, hindi ka gwapo. Alright, palakpakan naman natin yung pinanggalingan ng pangalan. Ayan, syempre, yung Joaquin daw may meaning yung Joaquin. Ano po ulit yung meaning?
Established by God. Tapos yung Andre is strong. Yan.
Andre is mean strong, tapos established by God, yung Joaquin. Again, isa malakas sa palakpakan para sa pangalan ni Joaquin. Nag-review. This time, Daddy, science question about you. Daddy, what is matter? Matter? Gusto mo kita matter? Water ba? Wait, Daddy, may nagtataas ng kamay. Substitution daw, pang saba. Ate Madison, what is matter?
Liquid, solid, and gas.
Palakpakan naman natin yun. Tama nga naman. Composition of matter, liquid, solid, and gas. But siyempre, Mami, Daddy, ang tunay pong science question natin, joke lang naman po yung what is matter. Bukod sa gender, sa tingin niyo po, ano yung mga magagandang katangian ninyo ang nakuha or namana sa inyo ni Joaquin?
Pogi.
Yes! Ang pagiging pogi, are good looking. Sino po yung mag-agree? Taas ang kamay na mag-agree. 2 pieces chicken joy kayo sa lahat na mag-agree. O 2 piece chicken. Ang dami, sir. 2 pieces chicken lahat. Pati yung mga nandito, 2 piece chicken ang gusto. Yes. Bukod po, sir, sa pagiging pogi, yung sa ano po, ugali, baka meron po. Nakikita nyo na, ay, parang kaugali ko tong batang ito.
Moody.
Pagiging moody. Ano pa po bukod doon? Yung magandang katangian.
Playful saka palabate.
Yes, playful at palabati at that's all. O, palakpakan naman natin yung mga namana ni Joaquin kay Daddy. Pidjong. Alright, so this time, Mami and Daddy, syempre, dahil nga po dito nyo sinelebrate ang birthday party ng ating little boy na si Joaquin, ngayon pa lang po, ayan, nagpapasalamat na po si Jollibee at ang Jollibee Riverbanks. Thank you so much dahil kami po, or si Jollibee po ang napili ninyo. Syempre ba din namin dito sa Jollibee?
na sana po ang inyong little boy na si Joaquin ay lumaking batang malusog po at hindi po nagkakasakit. Siyempre, lumaking batang, tulad nga ng sabi ni Daddy, lumaking batang guwapo at matalino na magmamana po sa inyong dalawa. And of course, sana po si Joaquin ay lumaking batang magalang at mapagmahal sa lahat. Especially sa mga nakakatanda sa kanya. At
Louder high! Louder high! Louder high!
wait again, what is the magic word?
Happy birthday!
Alright, so this time, magpapalaro na kami ni Kuya Ethan. Ethan, what is our first game?
Taas ang dalawang kamay. Raise your two hands. Shake, shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Very good. Girls team, are you ready? Yes, I am. Alright, dito. Mahaba, mahaba, longest.
Ethan, hindi mo hindi ganun kagulo ha?
10, saya, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1 point, boys, team!
Yes!
Are you ready? Yes, I am!
Yes!
And one boys, team! Okay, your longest line, as long as you can, using your own body, sariling katawan!
Go!
10, 10, grabe, ang saya! Jollibee, jump! Jump, Jollibee! Jump, jump, Jollibee!
Ayan, baka bigyan din kayo ng consolation prize si Kuya Ethan. Yung babae natin. So lahat po ay sasayaw. Even
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again! Sorry. Ano again? Sorry. Third step.
Next step, let's do the Jollibee swim step. Para lang tayo magsiswimming neto, alright? 8 counts times to gagawin. Sabay-sabay ulit tayo, Kuya Ethan. 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright.
Now let's do the last step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again.
Now let us combine that. Let's do the Jollibee's Energizer.
Let's go, clap your hands!
Clap your hands, everyone. Ay, mga nasa likod na kahit hindi natin medyo din eh. Hindi na si Kuya Nico para i-tag kayo. Let's do the first step, buddy. Second step. Second step. Now, the swim step.
Pintura step! Ito na! Ready!
Again, let's do the first step. The chicken step.
Pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl.
Second step. Second step.
A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything
Jump, Jollibee!
in my dreams. I wanna
Last step.
true.
Alright, everyone, isang malakas sa palakpakan para sa ating lahat.
Happy birthday, Joaquin!
Yeah.
Happy fiesta po! Ay, sorry. Happy birthday, Joaquin! Ayan.
Alright, so, I think na-energize na po ang lahat. At syempre,
Sobra, ningal ako.
yes, Kuya Ethan, ang sabi ni Mami at Daddy nag-request sa akin ng adult game. Yeah, so,
5 lang, parang madaming gusto sumali.
Yes!
Si Ate Nikki. Si Ate Kat. Si Ate Jenna. Tita Jenna, halika dito. Ate Cathy Monteroso Sonyo. Ilan pa? Dalawa pa. Alim pa.
Kuya RJ. Si Chris. Si Mark. Si Joshua. Marcos. Marco.
Pangalan muna ng grupo. Okay, ang babae, tatawagin ko kayong Sex Bomb Team. Yes, ayan, kayo ang Sex Bomb Team ngayon. Ang lalaki naman kayo ang Spartan Team. Wow, ayan, Spartans, alright. So, Sex Bomb and Spartan Team, get! Alright, kayo naman Boys Team or Team Spartan, ahu. Subukan natin, 1 point for Team Spartan! Ayan, ganyan po ang cheer up ninyo. Go! Go! Nanay, go! Eh! Ay, hindi pa. Nagtatanungan. Sir, nagtatanungan pa. Okay. Nanay! Nagtatanungan pa kayo. 19, 35, 35,
Pangki.
36, 39, 40, 41, 42. Po? Ano po? Kung magsisinungaling, si Lord nanonood. Sex Bomb Team! 1 point for Team Sex Bomb! Get! Okay, 1 point na. Team Daddy, alam na ha. Nag-request ka pa naman sa akin.
Yes.
Okay, galingan ng team. Next category. Arrange your team or your group according to the month of your birthday, January to December.
Go, Nanay! Go sa team ni Nanay! Sumigaw agad! Team Nanay! Hey! Nanay!
Wait lang. Kuya Itan, sino na una? Si Tatay. Wala si Tatay. Feb, April, June. Kaya pala gwapo to, June yun.
Yeah!
Na rin ako.
Kiss!
Anong kiss? Sorry. Gusto mo kiss ko na sa'yo. Alright. May na-disturb kasi ako sa'yo.
Jollibee!
June, July, August, October, September, October.
Sabi ko na!
Wait lang. In fairness, Hanes! Nagkamal. Mali din. January, March, April, May, June, August, September, October. Wow! So, 2 points for Team Sex Bomb. Get! Sabaw! Amin! Ay, sila kayo hindi nakakamaan.
Ay, wait lang! Jollibee! Jollibee, may gwapo dito!
Alright. Ayan o. Ayan. Okay.
Sana mali.
Site. B. Cruz. Hoxon J. Lim L. P. S. Ano pa S? Solomon. Tolentino, sir. Wait lang ha. Tolentino, tatay. Tolentino.
Ano ba? Uy, hindi wala nung... Hey!
Wow! So, tama ang arrangement. Congratulations! Team Sex Bomb, get! Ano yung request mo kanina? Magti-TikTok dance ang matatalo sa adult game. Ang TikTok dance, Jumbo Hotdog. So, ayusin natin sila.
Ayusin mo, Jollibee!
Ikaw. Dahil pogi ka dito ka sa harapan.
Siya.
Ayan.
At kuya, marami pa lang sila.
Sir, may single ka ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi na single Jollibee.
Nandiyan yung jowa niyo. Nandiyan po yung jowa niyo, no? Wala. Okay, wala pa naman yung
Wala yung jowa
Wala, go.
Balik.
Wala pa. Ayan, habang wala si Jowa.
Daddy, baba muna si Joaquin.
Oo, Joaquin.
Joaquin, punta ka muna kay nanay.
Oo, ate, kay Ate Mario pa si kaso ng alaga niyo
Ate
dito.
Mayo, yung alaga mo.
Oo, papalikuin ko muna.
Ano nani?
Hindi mo nga, sorry.
Piyesta tayo. Dito po tayo, sir. Ayan.
Biko,
Bayaan mo siya. Maat. Daddy,
amoy
dito.
paan yung kamay.
Dito. Sige, kaya mo yan, sir. Yes! Ikaw. Yes! Aha, daddy. Ah!
Nanay, hindi mo nakita si tatay. Kumalpas.
Yes! Doon ka, Jollibee.
Sabi dyan, Jollibee. Jollibee bang bata tong ano? Bata to.
Ay, ka naman, sir, Kaldag. Kaldag!
Biko! Bang bata to.
Okay, dyan ka, Jollibee.
Okay.
Alright. So, yung ganun. And of course, paninig po ng ano nyo, cheer up ninyo dahil isang beses hindi ko narinig. Team Spartan!
Ayun!
Alright. So, pakita mo na po.
Ay, nice mo.
Ayan. May matalastas? Yes!
Let's go! Jollibee!
Okay, dito tayo yung step. And 5, 6, 7.
Wave! Wave! One more! And last one! Eto na! In 3, 6, 2! And one more! Ayan more! Sama! Ang galing ni tatay! Ang galing ni tatay, parang buta.
Picture po ulit. Sir, picture po ulit. Tatay, ayan, bibigyan kayo ng special prize. Or call Chaser. Chaser. Sumayaw. Sumayaw eh. Ayan. Kalahin mo may chase. Nasa yung Alfonso, sir. Yung Alfonso yung nana.
Uy, baka naman, tatay.
Ayan,
Ayan o, finger.
Connect.
I feel better when I'm dancing. I'm better when I'm dancing. Hey, oh yeah. I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Don't you know we can do this together? Bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, I feel better when I'm dancing. I'm better when I'm dancing. Hey, feel
Sponsor?
better when I'm
Courtesy of Skadoodle. Our cake, sobrang mukhang maganda. Magandang creation ng cake niya. Ay, Skadoodle. Ayan. By Jessica, Miss Jessica Tolentino, shout out sa'yo. And of course, at this moment, so all the guests, please stop po muna ulit. May I request you all to please stand up po dahil we are now going to sing a happy birthday song. For Joaquin, magboblow na po siya ng kanyang birthday candle. Again, so all the guests, may I stop po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's louder. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes. Very good. Faster. Ready. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Alright, syempre before Joaquin blow his birthday candle, can we all shout again a magic word? Alright, Joaquin, you may now blow your candle. Tulungan nyo na, Daddy. Tulungan nyo. Yay!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. And of course, may nagse-celebrate din pala ng birthday ngayon. Again, kantahan din natin.
Birthday
tayo.
Ready?
Birthday to you.
Hey!
Happy birthday to you.
Hey! Hey! Happy birthday! Jump Jollibee! Hey!
Now, can you all shout a happy birthday, Ange? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Nanay
Alright,
Ange!
may blow your candle, Mommy. Yeah!
Hey!
Happy birthday.
Jump, Jollibee, jump! 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 Higher!
Birthday. So, nagsasalamat ng birthday.
Yay!
Joaquin and Mami Ange. You will now take your seat. Kunin naman natin ang birthday wish ni Mami at ni Daddy for Joaquin.
Yes. Nakuha na lang ako ng cake ni Mami.
Okay, unahin natin. Again, ladies first.
So, siguro lahat ng parents yung... Naiyak ako, hindi ko naman alam eh. Gusto ko lang maging happy lagi si Joaquin. Ayun, sana lagi siyang laging happy, laging healthy. Ano pa? Lumaking may takot sa Diyos. Ano pa? Ayun. Yan, basta lagi siya sanang masaya, laging kung anong kaya namin ibigay, bibigay namin para lumaki siyang maayos, lumaki may takot sa Diyos, mabait. Ayun. Ayun, salamat.
Alright, again, isa wala ka sa palakpakan naman for Mami Ange's birthday wish para kay Joaquin. This time, it's your turn, Daddy Pijong. What is your birthday wish for your son, Joaquin?
Thank you, Nanay.
Thank you, Nay.
Wish ko kay Nay Ange at kay Joaquin muna. Ayun, thank you for being a good son and thank you for being a blessing sa amin, sa lahat ng nakapaligid sa'yo. Continue to be a blessing. Yung wish ko, yung wini-wish din namin, yung pinipray namin tuwing gabi, yung Dear Jesus, thank you for all the blessings that we receive today. Bless my nanay, bless my tatay, bless our families, and bless everybody. Thank you for our food and meal today. Sana po gumaling na po lahat na may sakit. We love you po. Amen.
Yes. And for your loving wife, Sir
Kaya
Pijong.
syempre, alam kong daming sacrifice ni Ange para magkaroon kami ng Joaquin. Sinacrifice niya yung physical and mental health niya. And syempre yung career din niya, di ba? So, sobrang grateful ako sa misis ko. And gagawin ko yung lahat para sa inyong dalawa. Thank you, Nanay.
Okay, so wala ka sa palakpakan naman para kay Daddy Pijong. So, Tatay Pijong, you may now kiss Nanay. Alright. So, bakit ka umiiyak, Jollibee? Hindi naman para sa'yo yung wish. Kung makaiyak ka. Kasi wala kang... walang kiss kay... Jules! Sino pa yan si Jules? Nasaan si Sir Jules, yung nakaitim na pogi.
Sir Jules!
Hindi akin yan.
Esan na? Si Mark?
Hindi akin yan. Alright, Mami, Daddy, yung interruption lang po Baka po meron pong may owner ng motorcycle who has a plate number 569QOG. Nakaharang po kasi siya, may lalabas na po sa parking area, nakaharang po sa likod ng kotse, yung motor, sa likod ng car yung motor. Again, plate number 569Q0G. Po yung plate number ng motorcycle. If kung wala, tuloy ang party. The Jollibee's limited edition Jollibee lamp only. O hindi yan. Ito. Okay, Jollibee lamp guys. Exclusively only on Jollibee Kids Party lang marireceive. you don't purchase that toy on any branches or any store ni Jollibee. Ay, sorry sir, ayan. Sa Jollibee, kids party lang siya nare-receive. Again, sa lahat ng guests, isang malakas na palakpakan naman sa regalo ni Jollibee. Yay! And of course, syempre, Mami and Daddy, si Jollibee ay masyado na pong nakastay ng matagal. Ayan sa ating party area. Ayan. Kailangan na daw magpahinga ng ating best friend dahil, hoy Jollibee! Jollibee, si tatay ang financer, pero ang magbabayad mamaya si nanay.
Kaya panay kami, nanay.
Alright, so this time, like what I said, nanay and tatay si Jollibee ay kailangan na pong magpaalam dahil, ayan, madami ito talaga.
Mamimiss ka namin. Sisimangot si Jollibee, no, Kuya Rico?
Ayan.
Paano? Kahit naka-smile, kahit umiiyak ka. Nakita mo? Oo nga eh. Kahit umiyak siya, naka-smile. Si Milka Kabuhat, nandito na si Jollibee, tapos na ang time. Miss Milka Kabuhat,
Ang pakinggan natin. Again, let us give a round of applause for nanay and tatay of Joaquin.
yeah.
And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat na nagpunta. Alam ko, sobrang traffic. At sobrang hirap mag-park. And we really appreciate your presence here. Tapos, ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi. Salamat po. Salamat na marami. Naiyak na si Ange.
Salamat. Ano ba yung So si Joaquin kasi 'di ba, pandemic baby yan eh. So ito yung first party niya na kasama tayong lahat. So really happy na nakarating kayong lahat. Kahit na mahirap pag-park, and we're really blessed na hindi umulan today. Hindi umulan maghapon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kahit yung presence nyo lang po, okay na po. Yung mga regalo, maraming salamat po sa family namin, Solomon, Tolentino, yung mga kaibigan po sa DMT sa Okla, Ninong Boy, Ninang Ann, yung mga classmates po ni PJ nung college, Solis, yung sa Pidong Skennel sa Marikina Bully Club. Sir Mao, thank you so much for coming. Sino pa? Sina Patrick, Sep, mga BST, CST, UST, salamat po sa pagdating sa Tolentino family, Ninang Libay, Ninong Jim, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Mami, Daddy, Ninang Larry sa gift. Tito Alex.
Oo. And of course, syempre sa Jollibee team, thank you so much po sa inyo.
Yay! Yeah, syempre on behalf of your whole family, nanay and tatay, kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Thank you so much na.
Thank you po kay Ron. Ang ano niya.
Ron, Just Create. Yun.
And kay Aris
Kay
po.
Aris, yan. Thank you sa photo and video namin. Si Ron yung nag-shoot nung pre-birthday shoot ni Joaquin yun sa amin. Yun.
Ayun, thank you.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
like I said, ayan, Nanay Ange and Tatay PJ, thank you so much din po for making Jollibee Riverbanks to be a part of Joaquin's birthday party or third birthday celebration sa bahay ni Jollibee. Sana po sa mga next birthday party ni Joaquin if ever, hanggang 21 years old, si Jollibee pa rin po ang piliin ninyo. Again, maraming salamat po, Nanay Ange and Tatay PJ. And of course, sa lahat ng guests, thank you so much on you spend with us to celebrate Joaquin's third birthday party sa bahay ni Jollibee. Ingat po kayong lahat sa inyong pag-uwi. Always keep a big smile. Be happy like best friend Jollibee. And always be remember here at Jollibee, bidang saya, bidang birthday party. May pahabol pa yata si Nanay Ange?
Kaming pinrepare na sweet treat sa inyo. So, hanapin nyo lang sa ilalim ng table yata nilagay nila ate. May
Yan.
small sticker says, thank you for coming. Wow, Joaquin turns 3. So, pag may nakita kayong ganon, lapit po kayo sa amin. Thank you. Wow.
Ayun. Small sticker na may naka-indicate na Wow Joaquin turns 3. Ayan na. Sa lahat na makakahanap, may dito kay Mami.
Yes.
So, syempre sa lahat na... Again, I'm your party host, Kuya Rico, together with my party co-host, Kuya Ita! And of course, our party assistant, ang ating Myra. Hanggang sa uling pagkikita sa Jollibee. Ayun, si Tata.
They all be jacking, keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon.
Maraming
What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the top so clear. Look out. Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show 'em how I get it in. First, take your sip, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the pocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. What y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the top so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like. Everywhere I go, they be like. Everywhere I go, they be like. Now, watch me break it down like. What's that sound? Come on now. 24 karat, 24 karat magic. Fight the feeling, invite the feeling, just put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girl, what you trying to do? Tell me what you trying to do. 24 karat
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng matas sa birthday party ni Joaquin. Ingat kayo sa pag-uwi.
so clear.
And of course, open na po ang River Park. Ayan, sumakay na po kayo sa kanilang first